today I'm going to be showing you guys just my everyday makeup look, natural, glowy, full face of makeup. Doesn't look like I have a full face of makeup look, so stay tuned.
Okay guys, so first I'm going to start off by washing my face. I want to make sure that I have a clean, smooth foundation before applying my makeup.
Okay, my face is all clean and now I'm going to move on to moisturizer. I like to apply my moisturizer before my makeup. I noticed that my pores appear to be smaller when I apply my moisturizer first. So you don't need much, just whatever works for your skin type.
Now I'm going to apply my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color Deep 35.
So I'm just gonna spread it evenly. This is actually my favorite part of doing my eyebrows. My eyebrows naturally thick, so it's really not that much work that I have to do because I love them thick. This one is smaller than this one. It just never grew back.
Now I'm going to apply my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Matte Foundation. Just spread it evenly along my face. A little goes a long way.
Blend it in with my fingers. Take my foundation brush and just blend it in more, whatever my fingers couldn't.
Material Girl.
Okay, now I'm using my Sunstalker. It's in the color Mocha Mommy and it's by Fenty Beauty. I like to use this color on my eye and I also like to use it to contour. It has a really seamless, natural blend.
Oh my God!
I am all done and this is my everyday warm glow natural full face of makeup, but it doesn't look like I have a full face of makeup on look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys next time.